So today we'll be talking about percentage by mass, percentage by weight, and percentage by composition. They actually mean the same thing. Whenever you have to calculate percentage by mass, or percentage by weight, or percentage by composition, they mean the same thing. Now from the first question, say calculate the percentage by mass of hydrogen in water. Whenever you're asked to calculate percentage by mass solution, the first thing you should do, you need to calculate the molar mass of that compound. The molar mass of that compound. So to calculate the molar mass of a compound, it's simply for you to pick the data as they give to you. Hydrogen is 1, so that will be 1 multiplied by this 2 plus oxygen is 16. 1 times 2 give you 2 plus 16. You will now have 18 grams per mole. Please note that this is what we call molar mass or relative molecular mass. Molar mass of a compound is always, the unit is gram per mole, gram per mole. Now I said the first step to calculate percentage by mass is that you must know the molar mass of that compound. The compound here is water, so we have known that the molar mass is 18. Now you now go back to the question. They said of hydrogen, percentage by mass of hydrogen. So you come that how many hydrogen are you having here? You're having 2 hydrogen. So you now say 2 hydrogen divided by the whole of the compound, which is water. Then you multiply it with 100 because it has to do with percentage. Percentage, you have to multiply with 100. So very simple, you say 2 multiplied by hydrogen is 1 all over. When you calculated the molar mass of water, you had 18 times 100. So that will be 2 over 18 times 100. So you do 2 divided by 18, multiply with 100, whatever it gives to you. Maybe if, for example, you have 11.2, you just say 11.2%. That is how to calculate percentage by mass. For number 2, they say calculate the percentage by weight of oxygen in each of the following compounds. The first compound they gave to you, 2A, was potassium hydroxide. Don't forget that the step is that you need to calculate your molar mass first of all. The potassium was given to be 39 plus, you always add, it's only when you see a subscript you multiply, plus oxygen is 16 plus hydrogen is 1. So when you get the total, you have 56 gram per mole. So this is the molar mass. Now, they say percentage by mass of oxygen, you go and check, this is oxygen, so you have just 1 oxygen divided by the whole of this compound, KOH, times 100. And your oxygen is 16 divided by the whole of this compound gave you 56 times 100. So 16 divided by 56 multiplied with 100, whatever you have will be the answer. For 2B, the compound that was given is calcium carbonate. So you calculate the molar mass. Calcium is 40, you were given there, plus carbon is 12, plus oxygen is 16, but you have to say multiply by 3. When you see a subscript, you always multiply. So that will be 40 plus 12 plus 16 times 3 gives you 48. So when you add up this thing, you are going to have 100 grams per mole. 100 grams per mole. Now the question says percentage by mass of oxygen. So you go and check for oxygen. This is oxygen here, and there are 3 molecules of oxygen. Oxygen is 3 divided by the whole of the compound multiplied by 100. So very simple as usual. It will now be 16 times 3 all over. The whole of the compound gave us 100 times 100. And this one is very easy to do because 100 we cancel 100. 16 times 3 is 48%. So the percentage of oxygen in this compound is 48% like that. So I would love to do this number 3. Try to do it as your assignment. You have to calculate the percentage of nitrogen in this compound. Just follow the step. Calculate the molar mass, check the number of molecules of that element, divide it and multiply by 100. That is a simple step.